guys, it's Masadak for a brand new video. So today I am going to be showing you how to make slime. You're just using soap, any kind of soap, dishwashing liquid or any kind of soap, and some cornstarch. Boom, cornstarch. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So the things you need is a bowl, a mixing tool, your cornstarch, and your soap. So the first thing you have to do is make sure. Today I'm just using a bowl. I don't know what you call it, but you just add your cornstarch in there. Just a little bit of cornstarch. I'm just trying this out, guys. Oh yeah, by the way, shoutouts to Ballet in me, because she taught me how to do this. Shoutouts to her. Yeah, shoutouts to her. So now what you're gonna do is you have, oh come on, why you're not focusing? You have to mix that all in, but you don't have to mix it really quite. So now you have to put your not detergent, your soap, so it will be smoothened up like that. Boom. Now I'll be right back, guys. As you can see, I am mixing it. Sorry guys, I have been very sick last time. Here it is. I'll be right back, guys. I have to turn on the volume because someone's watching TV. So what you're gonna do with it is you add a little bit by a little bit of your dishwashing liquid or soap, because it will consist the slime texture to the cornstarch. So here it is. So now you don't need your mixing tool. Just you have to play with your hands, but if you don't want to get dirty and messy and all, just use a spoon so you won't get angry or something. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hands now. So I'm just gonna add more of it. So there we go. Now you just mix it with your hands, and I'll be right back, guys, because it's very hard to mix it here. Hope that the angle is okay for you guys. I'm just gonna do it here so you won't get dizzy and all. But yeah, I'm gonna be right back, guys. I decided to just use my spoon because the liquid detergent take all over. So yeah, and what keep saying liquid detergent? I mean the soap keeps doing that. So now you just have to mix it. Ate, don't do that. Now you just have to mix it all in. You just have to flatten. You see the lumps? That's what the slime consistency is. Like that. That it really works. Guys, try it for yourself. When you tried it last time, it did really work. So now you have to get rid of your mixing tool so you can use it with your hands. Make sure your hands are not wet so the cornstarch will not get dissolved or anything. Now I just do that. Now I'm just gonna mix it. So yeah, so today I'm just gonna use my hands because it's almost forming. See that, guys? It's already forming. But the dishwashing liquid, I'm going to say liquid detergent again. I'm gonna get right back to the video, guys, because I am going to get some paper so it won't get messed up. So guys, I just put my slime on the paper. This will help it not stick. It's very nice, guys. Like, it's not breakable. or imagine it as a clay, because the texture is very hard and cool. So yeah, you can form something with it. You can try it for yourself, guys, and check out Ballet and Mish channel. Look at how to make slime with using cornstarch and soap. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Check out Ballet and Me, and the link will be down below. And hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. And like and subscribe to my channel. I am usually like hitting 20 subscribers until my school is beginning, so please help me reach my destination to 20 subscribers. So if you enjoyed today's video, guys, thank you for watching. Bye. I hope this helped you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.